Kiendesha kuna ngushokire nkatho cia mwanya muno nonto bwakona kanya kwatana batu Nteto cia Weru Thaa mwanja tariki 8 mweri wa 6 mwaka wa 2023 mbitwa WINNIE wakinyero tukiambirire ni ati maabitha ba borithi bekirite mpini athwanirwa baraba kubokaira ringi mbolo ya thirikari rani amoria manini ntere cia Nanyuki lungalunga mushine ya Nairobi. Kulingana na Regional Police Commander Adamson Bongeni ati maabitha ba borithi bayukire tali rina rwa muno na kwitha bagekera mpini mulo amiri munene wa muna bamwe baritingwe ochonkone ndibo ambiriretie ni bokendo otira bangi baraba tamenyekana nyabu ibakwithira bakiwa Thaa.
My name is Adamson Bongei, the Regional Police Commander, Nairobi. Today, during our normal operations within the entire command of Nairobi, we got information that there was some illegal business going on within this particular go-down, which is within Lungalunga, within the areas of Nanyuki Road. And our teams who are on the ground were able to come, or rather to check in. And in their normal operation, they were able to find that there was some packaging of the local fertilizer, which was meant to be the subsidy, or it was meant to be supplied by the government as a subsidy. But again, after we got in, we realized that they were doing a repackaging of the same. Of course, this is something that will go under investigation because we are yet to find out why they were repackaging the fertilizer that was meant as a subsidy to the local market or for the local farmers within our country. We've been able to arrest a few of the workers and also a manager who is involved in this business. And we are yet to investigate because our teams are in already to ensure that they do a follow-up and the leads to ensure that we are able to recover or to unravel what is behind the syndicate of this business that is going on in this particular go-down. And as we did our search within the same facility, we were able to recover as well relief food. This is maize. First of all, the fertilizer is actually numbering up to 50,000 bags. And the 50,000 bags is going for 4,640 in the local market. If you do the sum calculation, you can get a figure on that. But we are yet to find out exactly why they're doing the repackaging of the same, which is contrary to the regulation of the business in the market. And secondly, again, as I've said, we've been able to recover relief food with that is in the content of rice, maize, and other local stuff or food. That again is being repackaged. We are wondering in this case, who could be doing this? We are investigating on the same matter. We were able to recover a bag of 1,360 bags of rice and a good number of, maize, around 200 bags of maize, rice at the same time. The same have been repackaged again into prices, or rather into brands. The brands mostly from India. And that is quite unfortunate that I think you were able to see that. Unfortunate that we are getting this in our local markets, thinking that it is food from the so-called companies. But it is actually the food that is meant for other Kenyans or meant for free to those Kenyans who are suffering.
Mukaririete wa ngwatano ya kaua wa kaunti ya Meru na kuromba baraba kubangania kiomano gya kaua wa kaunti ya Meru kira kirigiritwo kwithia kiambire ntukirwa riotira na kwa kanyarimi bakawani bokenda baketha baichiaria ni nyakwaria mathina yara baithirite baikulukira.
Twina mushemonio ywa conference ya kaua ywa ni Vice President wetu nikenda omba kweja kwariria mantu ya kwerekana kawene onija mutongeria wa kawa ndene Meru twina 47 societies dene county na 47 societies hiji twende lomba kada ukombeka between now and tomorrow twena representation ya somebody ba weta kwariria mantu ya kawa ya kuinyiria the small scale farmer. Kwa as we stand like Meru inanto badato barabete kwariria mantu ya kawa number 1 and 2 ni states number 3 kanya karato ine ka manager wetu wa milling akitu liugo uto tria Meru tulungamirite around 200,000 farmers twendenda kwithwa twina ikanya kumba kuwa uria tukwenda twendenda muno thirikari yetu itugwatirira the 2020 and 2019 regulations iria igusaidia murimi ukawa kinya ketha kuthi factory ombete kwithwa na kawa ka kugana etheshwaga muguri na komba kuria na komba kwija kamuguri turi arimi ba Meru kawa ka Meru kathiagirwa mwanya twendenda thirikari as a parastatal nonto ne rungamirite ne na parastatal ya KPCU they have the muscles baina nguvu baina support ya thirikari nene muno twendelomba bagite buria bete batushwire thoko pawe baina na thirikari bagite batushwire thoko pasho antu bakugura kawa ka Kenya konde beja batunenkera arimi ka banenkera society cia arimi bakagura kawa Meru na ithibiere na ngugi witibua arimi bai compete na thirikari ko twendelomba kithi kia Meru KPCU tugacokerwa kiora twathiaga kawa county millers bakambiria kuthia kawa no tutena andu ajabo nabo bate batushwire thoko tubanenkera kawa bendie ene batututhie kawa na tuthiire kawa ka Meru kare amwe riu ni romba ringi gintu kingi twendenda seriously tuthetherua ni thirikari ni thoko iji ya auction twendiromba muno ketha kwambikika gutikethera kwina recess tuli arimi bakawa twategera recess iria rira yatangazwa maguri ya kawa jambairia kwimana perhaps kinyanto bala ba kugura bakambiria kuibanga uria kawa gakemana na bauga kwimana na nonto arimi baithwa bekirite nene ba pressure twendangirie ni kawa nikenda tumba kugwata ambesha haraka so kinya aguri mbethera baije ni pressure wirio kuna nde bakagura kawa na mbesha nini nonto murimi nwena na kwenda besha na cia kinya na nde murimi akagutweka uribura kwenderwe ni bonini muno kintu kingi twiriromba expectations to expect human na the conference Meru na kwambiria na arua mpanga Saturday ne bautwe doko thirikari ni shwe uria kawa komba uchenjagia hands no ndoro kawa ntuko ne jia na arua ka uria doko kwendelea kai munda ni kamurimi keta factory kamurimi keta kwa society kamurimi wata kwa mera ni kamurimi keta auction kamurimi anything you happen katika tene unande murimi ambia ka responsibility ya kwethura nande au teta kakata
Kaunti ya Meru ni watanirite na cibitari ya Meru na ngwataniro ya kintheuro yogi mwere kunenkana moritani kiatetheria bogima maturene bo community health workers CHVS baibo bakethira baitithia na mbere mubango ya nchechemo ya joka ni odi women kianto barabe na mwaka yumwe witia brato tarero mwandiki wetu Nteto mukiri wa mithika
Maabisa bogi mabomwere batongeretwe ni Ankabro kuma Tigania West ibabuthetie karokia mauritani na mandaitare ba maturene kana CHV kendo bathuranira nontu wancha samonjo kere kethira igita na mbere kaunti yonthe
ito kwaya na ndawa cia kura minyo ke muntu ora wina mwaka yumwe witia mwaka Weru na nikenda ciura minyo ira batu inya twijitwe ya Meru ni thukangakia afya yantu minyo imwe iminyo era twita ya red kanera metune minyo era ya white minyo era yetonekana metho na kinyera yeta wanda nkuru kwa antu beto katukwenda baira bakona mandaitare mashinani kwambiriria tariki 8 mwanka tariki 11
na kiri antu banene barabombo tioria nimbio ntokinya bo bakwewa nchasa moe
joka hiji nonto bwa sanitation na hygiene iro chithera chigi affect mtu onthe mtu munini na o munene na kwa hivyo ora tukuga inya ke ithimi bietu bia lab ba nene na ba nini ibonekana be na njoka hiji na ikyo tukwenda bonthe bakundwa ndawa turaga njoka hiji buru anto bapuza buru nonto no kuona inya o sub county yetu twina cholera outbreak thai na no mantu ja tukwariria jai ja sanitation na hygiene kethira antu ibo tumikira mantu jara tubera ja aguni bafia tutethira twina thina iji lakini nontu ito kuga na ndi nontu ireo irazima twita kibo tubanenkere ndawa bebonde
na kenda kurieria murimo yoburu Kaburo na tariritie mwe mitaratarere bati kuthiatirwa
maija bateria wika kwa kiorone na obuonka muntu akethira aina kioro ara antu bawe banja yawe bawikia maiyo kinya kioro kira utumira nakyo ikibateria kwithira ketheri nikenda kinyangi cia itakuo iteke yarenge ikamata rukochire tabia kuriene muntu na bateria kuthamba njara mbere uria mbere o chenchia mini wa chenchia mwana wa umake orone maita yara wika kwa chiara bitetheri uno baterie weta ukathamba njara ciaku nikenda chethira chitheri kinya we chitumira ke kuria wonka muntu na baterie kuthambakia kira akuria matunda sana ne yao ya kinya twana tukoya ya weta inyama ine yau na ya emba kwithira ya ina either kolera kana inyanjoka kaikia kanwa renge kakaria
akiaria MCO nkomo kithenjie thaiba mwana sub county administrator guntuku
na ikwenda chokeria CHVs bangu ngatho nyingi sana nonto ngwira betete na mbere kurita community actually ketha tebonte menya na atakutha ukari nture na ichetu nonto miaka mingi ibo batwire batwatelete na mental health na nturene na batwire nya batikona nya kagento kinya kari lakini itogirwo kirero kya batu turi county assembly ya Meru na turareta motion yo kuba becha stipend kidogo ya ubamenyera na itokurukiri motion yo na ndina mathai ne thirikari utenga becha cio ubamenyera kwa ibete na mbere ne ndithai atisi batikaria bura wakari berene atu to ba support fully na tugendelea na wa support kinya stipend yo ya kuthete kugana lakini with the time ora becha gwete kingi ya county tugatana mbere na kutheta tukiuga ibo ngongelwe no tubakuruta ngwire na nyenya sara batia watanite na madaktari yetu
our governor na I determine non to come health is wealth ito mwera ibwega sana non to facilitate all those activities nikenda Meru county ikura eruare to kwina activity ingie kwa na pipes ito komea kwina kolera na our governor na kwenda promote manto ya health na hygiene kwa pipe ira antu baraba geta bakunda roi na runa manto yonde akabwa
nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania Mbita wa Mukiri wa Mithika
Murimu ya njereri yomwe ya mirimu iretuma muntu akethira akiura metho no ende imurimo yomba kwithira yukirigitwa na njira ya mtu kwithira kithinja wa mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Samuel Gaishimana aranireti na mutaalamu wa mwanto yege metho etariria bura muntu amba kwithira akirigita wa njereri na achoka kwithira akitana mbere na kuona boya
Kuringana na ndagitari munene wa metho kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Dr. Grace Nguyo nthiguru ngima gatiga antu 10 barabataonaga antu 5 kiriboba orite metho nuntu bwa murimo wa njereri hamwe na ugu utungi bwa muthembojo iburigitikaga na njira ya kuthinja metho na baingi bantu nginu bagachoka kuona kairi Nguyo na kwerecha kira gitimaga ritho rikagia na njereri.
Njereri inaletwa na lens. Unajua kila mtu anazaliwa na lens ya macho. Ukiwa na lens yako kwa macho. Sasa hiyo lens inakuwa iko clear, iko ni kama glass. Sasa vile mtu anakuwa mzee ama tuseme jicho ikipata shida nyingine, hiyo lens sasa inakuwa nyeupe. Inakuwa nyeupe, inakuwa kama imeshikana, ni kama rangi ya white kama ya maziwa hivi. Sasa ikiwa hivyo haiwezi pitisha kuona.
Lens yenu ya ritho neo ithinjagwa na mwaji agekirwa jingi ira iruthitwe na gintu igwitwa PMMA.
Hiyo lens ambayo tunaweka material tunaitwa PMMA. It is a form of plastic. Lakini hiyo imetengenezwa kwa njia special vile inaweza ambatana na mwili, yani mwili haitaikataa, itawekwa ndani ya macho, haitakuwa na any reaction na jicho yenyewe itaweza kuona.
Mbere mwajie ambaga akamuntu cindano akubena ritho ya kuthiria ururu.
Patientiara ukambagiria kenda nenkerwa local anesthesia. Atuike bote ururoripo na nikenda umba ukoperate. Lakini tumba kunenkera patient counseling before. Kenda kinya in the operating table akaomba kuba daktari kakitaka rahisi.
Lazima mtu alalishwe kama vile mtu analalishwa theater ukifanyia operation kubwa kama ya cesarean section, hapana. Hiyo tunagandisha tu hiyo area ya jicho, tunadunga dawa ya kugandisha, jicho inaganda. Alafu sasa mtu atasikia uchungu hata akifanyia operation, hata ukidungwa sindano.
Hende kiuria na tabadhinja ngaritho rira igachunchika nini.
Kuna hiyo operating microscope. Yani inafanya kitu kidogo kwa daktari inakaa kitu kubwa. Sasa daktari anaweza ona vizuri ni kadogo, lakini imefanywa inakaa kubwa kidogo. Sasa kama hiyo operating microscope, daktari anaweza kuona sasa kuna mahali ni kama tu operation. Kuna mahali atakata kidonda kidogo, hiyo pati ya white ya macho, alafu ili aweze kufikia njereri, aitoe vizuri, alafu hapo aoshe hiyo mahali njereri ilikuwa imelalia, alafu sasa waingishe hiyo artificial lens. Alafu basi sasa mtu anawekewa dawa ya antibiotic, jicho inawekwa bandage, sasa inaenda nyumbani.
Ndeni ya chibitari mbinge cha mwinge uthenjani bobobo wa kuruta njereri bore agua chiringi ngiri 6 aramwe na ugu utethio bwa ikundi kimwe kiragitagwa Fred Hollows Foundation bombithagia thirikari ya kaunti kurutha ndionga cha kuthinja aje chibitari cha maturani gutari na marai.
Sanjari no kura chuka tuchanjaga ngiri 6 katuge ki mtu wa kawaida ni mbesa nyingi, lakini toka huko mashinani ithagirwa free of charge. Kogu onakethwa ni sibitari jingi especially ino cia private ukathiwe ithagira bachanjaga over 30,000 nikio mtatumba kuona utethio. There was a great burden baada chuka hospital kethira patient kumubook more than 6 months oasiragia 6,000 atino utethio. Kogu such patients ni makumba gutetheka
kwa ngerekano kiri uthinjani buraburu thiritwe chibitari ya Kibugwa igoro na imunthi aje kathumba ibarigititwe na bachoka kuona kairi
nkurutwa njereri na nkona mandagitari ega muno nundu le mangalia na leo nkothenjwa metho na utoro na legua
riri anote kwigua kithinjwa no gokwirwa ukira bithori kubua anko amisa antu mondora wina njereri atigakire antu ni magutungatwa wega na ngukena ni sibitari muno.
Ende mandagitari baba bariuria akari batumire kanya kakuri na utethio bubu kenda barabara na ritho rimwe kana mari mairi matakuona barigitwa kiri uthinjani bubu. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge chuka igamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.
Kathoshe mwenye muno kiwe Samuel Gaishima na kiwe mutegeri nontu bwa kwithira witite na mbere na kurumira Nteto cia Weru Thaa mwanja tone kanya kunogo kanini nditucokirete na Nteto nkulukio geta kuraya.
Kamboni area ya Meru Dairy ni okugwata ogeni gwa murimi kiri monaneja urimi na ndethia cieria jaraja kethiro jariki ni negesho ground Gitoro Njuma tariki 16 mweri Jojo kwambiria thaa 1 cia rukiri.
Na mbere njukia kanya ga gukaribisha arimi bonthe kiri kiatho gethu kinene gia tuko ya Njuma tariki 16 kira ikethia kinaria ASK showground na mugeni wetu heshima kethwa His Excellency President wetu wa Republic of Kenya William Samoei.
Murimi ijawone na uthome mantu mwanya ja kuongereria riaku na ucionere ng'ombe gwiteria kilo 50 na ijire kuma bogeta ukono njira sheki nande cia gweka sirenji eku kuthondeka iro bya ng'ombe wetumira otea na njira sheki nande na kinya uitano umenyeri bwato jao
ng'ombe icio thikethia iria ya fiunde na ciumete kiari mbetu barabara thitende ne Meru na kinya ugono gwite kwetho kalija bo ukarithia ng'ombe kuma kilo 40 na 50 na kinya amba ndikenda tomba gwita na mbere bwega
ukethro inya na mandagitari bakuma Meru General baraba kaeja na motungata ja ugima bwa mwiri utheri mugeni wa Giteo akethro ari rais wa Kenya His Excellency William Samoei Ruto bwinthe ne bogwati ugeni
Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jura gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kwigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Guchiandikithia riongera mutandao jetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingire thimu gukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students. yetu sako iri na nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonde bathirikari na kinya kambuni ira turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira bakugarura uturo bwaku gukurukira super mapato loan. Kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta, utetwa shares na no uri ruru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance. Kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongira branch yetu irere akwe nawe kana waranire natu gukurukira namba yetu ya thimu 0711038000 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride. Akamiti arungamiri amemba basino kaga amona Bishop Dr. Nicholas Mutwiri Ntere iba kubugwata ugeni kirima kithajantu kwe kiumia izi ntariki 11 ara kaga Church Hall kumathanya sharukiri kiri gutetheria kujuria kaga Synod Mission Center.
The Bible in the book of Matthew 25:35 affirms, I was hungry and you gave me something to eat. I was thirsty and you gave me something to drink. I was a stranger and you invited me. I needed clothes and you clothed me. I was in prison and you came to visit me.
Ukurukira program chetu cha kaga Synod itombeta gutotheria barabate guchumba na kwejana medical camp chiotheri kithomo kiatheri kuma primary monka mathomo jeguru kwa anantigo bya korea utetheria antu bari na mukingo na nandi wa kibomation centage bwa kinyamuthia tugakomborithania obisi utetheria mibango ije nkuruki amuna gutetheria barabate guchiomba.
I'm proud to say that now we have done like 80%, and what we are left is a small 20%, which I am calling upon all the Christians and all the churches and all the members and all our friends all over the world to come and support us on the 11th of June as we do the final lap to raise the remaining 20% to be able to complete this project.
Our prayer is that this project may be completed within the year so that we will be able to keep on track the development plan of the synod that we have.
Watania natu Sundays kwa Commission Center. Kurita waku niko gitumi. Bwinthe ibugwati ugeni.
Treat familia to unforgettable moments na Star Times. Usiwachwe nyuma. Cheki Hello Mr. Right kwa Rembo TV.
Saisi tall and handsome. Ni mwanaume ni kiasi.
Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Picheko.
It's amazing.
Emotions.
Didn't I already tell you that I want you to be mine?
Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Drama kibao. Action ya kubamba. Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Download Star Times on ucheki favorite shows zako on the go. Star Times, enjoy digital life.
Gako atogeni na nkathosha mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite na mbere na kurumira Nteto cia Weru Thaa mwanja tuchokere na riboti ya gemichetho na ara kilabu ya Muranga Seal niyo irethiretwo ngere muchethone ywa FKF National Super League muchetho yura ywa bwithikirite camp.
Na ilikuwa ni game tough having that tunacheza na team iko second na wana contest kucheza Premier League, so it was a good game but nimekuwa punished from my own mistakes, so the 2 goals zimekuwa out of my own mistakes but imekuwa good team pia imetupatia challenge. This season looking forward to finish in a good position, then probably next season to organize better.
Kitu ya kwanza mimi ningependa kushukuru vijana kwa ile effort wameweka kwa hii game ya leo. Mimi kulingana na mimi
Kathoshe mwanya muno kiwe mutegeri na kibonthe barabomba kwithia bekinyanilia Nteto cia Weru Thaa mwanja ntukierwa ringa kwendera kaita keana ntukwenja yo URETERI mubio murungu mwene nyambito wa WINNIE wa Kinyero.
Eje ni Weru TV.